Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I have my design team stamps for the month of July for the Not2Shabby shop. I'll leave all the information below for Jamie's shop, and you can use coupon code JEN10 to save 10% off your total purchase. So let's get into it. So this month, Jamie sent me this adorable stamp set. There's a bit of a glare here. This is Pink and Main Narwhals, and I absolutely love it. I love the little scuba divers, and all of the sweet little sayings are really great for encouragement cards, so I'm excited to play with that. Jamie also sent me this month the My Favorite Things You Float My Boat stamp set. So fun. I don't often buy stamps that are for simply stamping as opposed to coloring, so this will kind of challenge my creativity, but I'm excited to play with it. And Jamie also made this adorable tag that says, "I'll ride any wave with you." This is a Pink and Main stamp as well. So really cute. I also made a purchase this month, so I'll share my haul with you. So Jamie's free with 60 when I made my purchase was the My Favorite Things Hello Die. I also picked up the Neat and Tangled Hot Dog. I thought this was so hilarious and cute and fitting for the summer. I picked up this My Favorite Things Sunshine, Full of Sunshine is actually what it's called, Sentiments. I thought this would be good to go along with beach themed cards that weren't sentiments like totally beach related, if you know what I mean. Like, I felt like these are things that I could add to those to make them a little bit more versatile. So I hope your birthday is full of sunshine, sending you sunshine, you fill me with sunshine. All really versatile, cute sentiments. I also picked up the Craftin' Desert Divas, the beach scene dies. I'm trying to add more dies to my collection that I can keep and use over time. So kind of those timeless dies. So I picked up that. I did die cut these so you could see what they look like. They have tons of stitched detailing to them. Absolutely adorable. And then I played around with them a little bit just with my distress inks here. And this is how they turned out. Super, super cute. And this little fish is from the next die set that I'm going to show you. So that is from the Porthole Frames by Lawn Fawn. Really cute. I thought that that would go really well with the little scuba divers. So I also cut those out as well. They're kind of coming apart here, but so you can get a sense. So you get 3 of the actual portholes. So 3 different sizes. And then what I love and wasn't expecting is you get 2 of these, it's kind of hard to see, 2 of these as well that cut out if you cut them all together. And these are great for shaker cards, so kind of a perfect bonus. And then you get the little fish, which is the one I colored up here. Too cute. And I also picked up the Ocean Scene Builder by Honeybee Stamps. These are 4 stencils. So you get this, which creates like an ocean pattern on top of the water. You get this ray of light and this one as well, which can be used for underwater scenes. And then you get the underwater foliage and bubbles. So love that. And the last thing I picked up was the Pink and Main Sunset 6x6 paper pad. I love that so many of their pads include purple paper. So this is a really fun set of patterns, and they're double-sided, which is great. So that's my little haul and design team package for July. So I hope you'll stay tuned and see what I'm able to create with all these goodies. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.